Hey everyone, it's Travis here at Four Seasons RV. Today we're looking at the 2025 Paradigm 395DS from Alliance RV. This is one of our favorite floor plans here at Four Seasons. You're going to notice this huge underbelly storage compartment here in the front with that 101-inch wide body that Alliance uses. You're going to have a nice big storage for all your outdoor accessories. Additionally, those on-in and slide-out buttons so you can control them from the outside. I absolutely love the dual awnings. It gives you a nice big open space for entertaining while you're out at the lake. Additionally, one of the coolest things that I think Alliance did with the Paradigm series is for your propane tanks. This is a 30-pound propane tank. You got a matching one on the other side. They have put this and dropped it down just a little bit so that you have room to install a 40-pound propane tank if you want one. Additionally, on the exterior, you are going to have a 6-point hydraulic auto leveling system with this. We've got generator prep already installed, and of course, plenty of other storage here under the gooseneck. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look inside. All right, we are here on the inside looking at the kitchen in this one. The kitchen, you're going to have that 4-burner propane stove and residential size oven, perfect for a Thanksgiving dinner. Additionally, you're going to have a residential size microwave. One of my favorite features in this kitchen is a little trash chute here. So there's a space for a trash can with access to the outside so you can pull out your trash through the outside rather than dragging it through the camper. Additionally, one of the things that is going to be standard in all Alliance products is shut-off valves at every individual plumbing fixture. So you got one here at the kitchen sink, one in the bathroom sink, one in the back bathroom sink, one in the toilets, and one in the shower, so that if something does happen, you have the ability to turn off water to that one fixture rather than the whole camper. Additionally, you're going to have a 12-volt residential size fridge, nice big pantry space with adjustable shelves there, and that motion activating lighting. Going into the dining room, you do have the swivel dinette table, so you can set it up like this or turn it to be long ways and have 2 chairs on either side. Additionally, here in the living room, you're going to have a sleeper sofa right next to your electric recliner seats. All of these windows are going to have day and night shades. So you're going to have the one pull down to give you a little bit of protection from the sun. And then, of course, that blackout roller shade for nighttime. Additionally, you're going to have this huge smart LED TV, JBL speaker system throughout, and electric fireplace here in the living room. Additionally, in the living room, you are going to have access to this huge loft space over the back bedroom with storage space underneath the stairs here. Next, we're going to kind of move into this back bedroom. This is the dual suite, so you got the queen bed here in the back. This is a full bedroom with closet space. One of the coolest things that I think they did for 2025 is they updated these cabinet doors so they slide sideways rather than opening out in opposite directions. You're going to have dresser space, more closet space, TV already installed in the bedroom. Additionally, moving into the back bathroom, you're going to have this nice tall shower here. It's not as wide, but you got lots of headroom here for it with your porcelain toilet here in the back. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go take a look at the master suite. All right, we are here in the master bedroom and bathroom. So you are going to have this wonderful bathroom. One of my favorite features that they've updated for 2025 in the bathroom. I absolutely love music. They have put a JBL speaker in the bathroom so you can rock out while you're taking a shower. You're still going to have that porcelain toilet with the soft close lid. Nice, huge shower space here with the bench seat that does fold up so you can stow it away when you're not using it. Additionally, one of the other big upgrades that they put in for 2025 is these new latches on the sliding doors. So they're going to latch close and open. You don't have to worry about that flimsy little bungee strap anymore to lock all of your sliding doors. Additionally, you are going to have your dresser space with storage underneath the top here, shoe storage underneath, bench seat to put your shoes on in the morning, king size bed with storage underneath, USB charging on both sides, as well as your nice big walk-in closet with washer dryer prep on either side. Additionally, the other thing that this unit is going to come with is 3 individually controlled ACs. You have one for in here in the bedroom, one in the living room, one in the kitchen, that are all individually controlled. So if you like this unit, let us know below. Let us know what your favorite feature is, or if you have any questions, and come see us down at Four Seasons RV.
4 Seasons. where the fun begins. KansasRV.com